Alright, so we're going to reteach you how to use the Finance app since pretty much everyone forgot it. So first you have to hit your apps button, which should be around here on TI-83, and it's about in the same place with the TI-84. You hit apps, and then you hit enter, and enter again, and you get the pretty screen with all those variables not filled out that no one remembers what they're called. So the first variable, the n, is the number of compounding periods, and that'll be however many years or whatever you're looking for times the number of times compounded annually. Your I is pretty much the interest rate. It'll be called APR generally for finance. The PV is the present value. The payment is how much you're putting in monthly or yearly or however many times compounded. The future value is normally what you're looking for, but not always. It's just what will be the amount in the account at the time you're looking for. The P-Y is the payments per year, and the C-Y is the number of compounding periods per year. For us, they're the same. The end is if you were to pay at the end of the month, and the beginning is if you pay at the start of the month. To actually solve, you have to enter all your variables, and then when you want to find your answer, you go to the value you're looking for, whichever one it is, and you hit alpha, enter. So we have a practice problem here, and it says Arthur's putting money in his retirement account. There's $450 in the account, and he's adding $60 per month. The account gets 5% APR compounded monthly. If he pays at the end of each month, what will be the value in 9 years? Now I've highlighted all of the variables. So we know that there is going to be 9 years. So under N, we put 9 times 12 since it's compounded monthly. Then under interest, it said 5%, so we put a 5 because it's already in percent form. We don't need to change it to decimals. Under present value, there is $450, so we put 450. Sorry. Under payment, he's adding $60 a month, so we put a 60. Future value, we don't know, so we're just leaving it as a 0 for now as a placeholder. For payments per year, it is 12, and that automatically puts it in your C-Y as well. The payment is at the end of the month, so we keep that. So we go back up to our future value, to what we're looking for, and we hit clear to get it off the 0. Then we hit alpha, enter, and we get a negative number, negative 8867.67. You round to 2 decimal places because it is dealing with money. Now, there has to be a negative value in this app, so we just can ignore the negative and just know that we'd have $8,867.67 at the end of 9 years.